First, ensure your 2018-2021 Chevy Equinox is parked and the engine is off. Open the lift gate to access the taillight assembly. Locate and remove the two pushpin fasteners or screws on the inner edge of the assembly near the trunk liner. Then, carefully use a trim tool or flathead screwdriver to gently pry the assembly outward. Release the plastic clips that secure it to the body. Disconnect the wiring harness from the assembly. Now the taillight assembly is free for bulb replacement. With the taillight assembly removed, locate the brake bulb socket within it, typically the inner socket. The turn signal is the outer one. Twist the socket counterclockwise to detach it. Pull the old bulb straight out of the socket and firmly insert the new replacement bulb, ensuring it's fully seated. Reinstall the socket by twisting it clockwise until it locks. Reconnect the wiring harness to the tail light assembly, align the assembly with the vehicle body, and secure it using the screws or pushpin fasteners you removed earlier. Finally, test the brake lights to ensure they are functioning correctly before closing the lift gate.